Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. So today I am just going to do probably like a quick makeup look. I have a couple of errands to run. We're going to the market. Hopefully go to Target and find some toilet paper, or maybe Stop and Shop, one or the other. Gotta find something because we're running low. And yeah, so I'm probably gonna do like a 15-minute makeup max. All right, so I'm just gonna jump right in. I'm just going to grab my Vanity Makeup Brow Cushion Duo in the shade Brunette. I love this thing, you guys. It's so good. It comes with a mirror, so it's nice and travel friendly, and it's, look at that, it's a cushion. I've talked about this many times on my channel. It's really good. They actually sent Vanity Australia sent me this and a couple of other products, and this is one of the products that I just fell in love with, and I thought it was like one of the best things ever. So I'm just basically filling them in, and the brush that comes with it is amazing. So it literally is the perfect size. Like, look at this little thing. And like I said, it's travel friendly. Like, it's just like, hold on. You fold it up, put it back in the little kit, and you're good to go. But since I'm using it, we're not doing that. Just filling my babies in real quick. All right, so now that my brows are filled in, I am going to go in with some face primer. I'm gonna go in with this one right here. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control. Hopefully you guys can see that. I've been playing with my camera, and I've been trying to get the better quality. So I feel like I'm there, and I'm pretty sure you guys can see this. All right, so I'm gonna go in with this real quick and just apply that. Just in the T-zone, see? You guys, like, this does not want to go away, this freaking pimple. I rarely ever get pimples, but that one just doesn't want to go away. It's the craziest thing. It's like, it's made his mark, and it's here to stay. All right, so for foundation, I am gonna go in with the L'Oreal True Match Lumi. No, this is the L'Oreal True Match, my mistake. And this one's really good. I've been using this for years, and it's always just as good as the first day I've ever like tried it. So this one is in the shade Sand Beige W5. I am going to be using my favorite brush as of lately, which is this one. This is the All Over Airbrush Flawless Complexion number 132 brush by It Brushes for Ulta. But yeah, it's really good. I got it, I ordered it off of the Ulta website. I am actually going to just put some on the actual brush itself whenever, ooh, okay, just that much, and then I'm just going to apply it all over. All right, so moving in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, this one right here. This one is in the shade Medium Sand. I'm just going to apply this underneath my eye, and it's going to give me more coverage. And that is it. So I'm going to go back in with the same brush and blend that in. All right, so that's what we have going on. I actually did go in with this side of the brush just to blend in to the inner corner and around the eye, on the lid, all the little areas that I needed to get into. So it looks beautiful. Look at that. Now I'm gonna go with my favorite foundation stick, but I want to use my old one because I'm trying to finish that one off before I go in with my new one. So this is the what is, oh, that was the old one. I am gonna go, ew, oh, okay, sorry, I'm all over the place. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F13, and this is my favorite stick, foundation stick, guys. I'm just gonna blend it with the same brush. Look at that. This is a brush that you can use for everything and anything, and it's so scary. That's all I hear every single day now. It's so scary with everything going on, but oh Lord, keep positive thoughts, keep positive thoughts. All right, so I'm just gonna blend this in. Now I'm just gonna blend down the neck. And look at that. How we looking? All right. Don't mind my lips. I know I need something on the lips. I have moisturizer, like this right here, the Baby Lips Dr. Rescue on my lips, but it's looking, it needs more life because I have a little bit of foundation on it. But don't you worry, we're gonna get there. Now I am gonna go in and set my under eye. I'm gonna go in with my brush, my RC Matte powder, and my Sigma tapered highlighter F35. I'm just gonna set my under eye and all those areas that I need. This is really quick, guys. Super duper quick and easy. All right, so now I'm just gonna go in with some bronzer. I'm gonna use this one. I haven't used this one in a while. So this one is a little broken. It's a little broken. This is the NYX Matte Bronzer. This one here, and this one is in medium. So we're gonna go in with medium and see how it treats us. And I'm gonna go in with my Kenzie angled brush. Oh, it's a little warm. Nice and warm. Should have went in with a little bit more concealer, which I'm probably gonna do right now because it's bothering me. Grab the littlest bit right there, and I'm gonna go in with that IT Cosmetics brush and just blend that out. And pat that out. There you go. Perfect. I'm gonna go back in with my Kenzie brush and some bronzer. This is the real thing, guys. Oh, gotta hurry up. Blend. Let's blend this and soften this up. I'm actually gonna go in with this brush. I like to go in with this brush and just blend out the edges, just as I would with like a sponge. I feel like this works really well to blend out the edges. Okay, perfect. Now I'm just going to actually use this bronzer to apply a little bit on the eye so it doesn't look like dead. So I'm just gonna go in with a blending brush and just apply that right in here. Oh, I hate this brush. I don't know why I use it anymore. I'm just gonna brush it off these little hairs with my Sigma brush. I hate this brush. I gotta throw it out. All right, so grabbing a clean brush, a better brush. This is the Morphe M441. Just going to go in with that bronzer. And sorry if you guys hear Dominic in the background. He's on the phone, on his iPhone with his friend, playing a game. They're always super duper loud. So here we go. All right, now we're talking. So actually, one of the things that I have to do today is go pick up this helium tank that I ordered. They only do in-store pickup at Target. It comes with balloons and everything. Dominic's birthday is on the 17th of April, and I know like today's the 31st of March. So I want to have everything that I need for his birthday, because I am not having a birthday party outside, and especially under like the conditions that we're under right now. Like, I don't know what's going on, so I didn't book anything, thank God. Like, I didn't book anything before this happened, and you know, anything like that. So I figured I would just have like a little thing at the house. It sucks, but you know what, we're still gonna celebrate it. Like I said, I got a helium tank, got some balloons. I bought the mold, like the silicone molding for a cake. I'm gonna bake it. Oh my god, I'm like super excited. I love to bake, so it's gonna be a little easy, but at the same time a little hard, because I want to do like the filling, like the pudding filling, and then the frosting and all that stuff. So I'm so excited. Oh, I got something on my face, trying to get it off. Get this brush. Okay, all right, so that is that. Now oh, I want to add a little bit of something on the bottom lashes. Let me just go over that with my brush, because it has some little cracks, and I'm just going to go in with that brush and apply a little bit of bronzer underneath. But yeah, so yeah, I'm going to do that. I ordered him some Beyblades that he wanted, but don't say nothing. Like you're gonna say anything. But anyway, yeah, I ordered him some Beyblades, which he's into again. He was like not into it, now he's into it again. I'm gonna order him a brand new what's that thing called, a hoverboard, because the one we originally got him like last year, I don't know what happened to it. It broke, I guess, and I don't know, I think they were not able to fix it. I don't know what happened exactly. That's my man's right there job to figure out, but I don't know what happened. I completely forgot, but I'm gonna order him another one to surprise him. Trying to get a red one, but the red ones don't seem to be available. So I probably will just pick up whatever they have online, and that's the gifts that I'm getting him. So we shall see what else. Maybe I'll pick up little things here and there, but that's what I have in mind so far. And yeah, so that is that so far on my face. As for makeup, I'm gonna go in with some highlighter, of course. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome, and this one is in the shade Molten Gold. Love this one. Look at that, how pretty. It's gorgeous. Love this highlighter. It's like the best highlighter ever. If you don't have this, go get it. It's so good. So good. All right, so real quick, I am going to add some lashes, because I just want some lashes today, and that's what I'm feeling. So I'll be right back, and if not, you'll probably see me applying lashes depending on how this goes, but I will be applying lashes. I just got to get the glue, the lashes. I'm probably going to go in with these right here, since they're right there. These are the iconic House of Lashes, sorry, House of Lashes in the style Iconic. So I will get these on and finish off the rest of the makeup when I am done. Alright guys, so now that I'm done applying my lashes, I'm going to go in with lips, and I'm trying to hurry the hell up because it keeps getting darker. It's supposed to rain today, so the sun was coming out. Now it's dark again, so, well, it's getting gloomier out. So this is the NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Sandstorm, and then I'm going to go in with the Morphe matte lipstick in the shade Taunt. All right, so this is what we have going on. Just trying to clean my finger after grabbing, dabbing my lipstick. Now I'm just going to set my face real quick with the NYX Bear With Me. Alrighty, so that is that, you guys. So I am going to be probably doing a video on how I remove these nails, because you guys, it's getting to that point where they're looking a little nasty. I mean, I don't think you can see that much on camera. Maybe they don't look that bad, but they're pretty much growing out very, very, very much now. And we're probably going to be stuck in the house for the next couple more, like, what, 2 to 3 weeks. So I got to do something about this, handle my situation. I already handled my toes, had to do that yesterday. Did that, so now I just got to get these babies done. So I will probably make a video on it later today. And yeah, so once I'm done with my errands, I will probably do that. And that is pretty much it. This is the quick and easy makeup look. I already did my hair this morning, so this is that, and this is what I look like for today. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's quick and easy makeup look, and I will see you guys. Well, actually, you guys, hold on, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.